moving to the next theorem. If A is a non-singular square matrix of order n, then adjoint A is equal to determinant of a raised to power n minus 2 with A. Okay, so let's prove it. Now, for the proving part, let capital B be a square non-singular matrix of order n. Then, now what we did in theorem number 1, it was B adjoint of B is equal to determinant of B with identity matrix. Okay, so this also we have done it with theorem number 1. And let this be number 1. Okay, let this be 1. Now again, here it is given given A is a non-singular square matrix. A is a non-singular square matrix. Also, adjoint A is non-singular. Square matrix. Then what we did in theorem number 2, it was adjoint of A is equal to, in theorem 1 it was B with adjoint B is equal to determinant of B with In, and in theorem number 2 it was adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to power n minus 1 with In. Okay, so these were the two theorems which we have already done it. Now putting B is equal to adjoint A in equation 1. Okay, because 1 is what one? This one. Okay, so we are putting it in B is equal to, in place of B, now we are putting adjoint A. Okay, so what we are getting when we are putting B adjoint A, what we are getting? Now we are getting here B is adjoint A. Okay, we are having adjoint A, adjoint again adjoint A. This adjoint is this one, in place of B adjoint A, in place of this B adjoint A is equal to determinant of adjoint A with In. Is it clear? Now this one and this one is one and the same thing. This we got from theorem number 2. So from theorem 2, now what we got it? We got it now adjoint A with adjoint of adjoint A is equal to, now in place of this I am writing, this is equal to determinant of A n minus 1 with In. Is it clear? Now pre-multiplying by A. Now pre-multiplying means multiplying by A to both the sides. Okay, so we can write it A multiplied with this part. Okay, A multiplied by this part, we are having adjoint A, adjoint with adjoint A is equal to A with determinant of A, this one, raised to power n minus 1 with In. Is it clear? Sorry. So I have multiplied both sides. Let me write it with blue pen. Determinant of A n minus 1 with In. Okay. So now here we have pre-multiplied by a. Here is also a, here is also a. Okay. So now what we are getting? We are getting now a adjoint a, this part a with this part, then adjoint of adjoint a is equal to a raised to power n minus 1 with in with a. Okay. So we are having now again a with adjoint a with adjoint a or b with adjoint b, one and the same thing from theorem 1. What we are having for theorem 1 now, this part, basically this part is adjoint of a in with adjoint a is equal to determinant of a n minus 1 with a. Okay. Now a with in is equal to in with a is equal to a. Okay, one and the same thing. Yeah. So now we are having adjoint of a, determinant of a with in, adjoint an and this part. Now adjoint of adjoint a is equal to n minus 2 with a. Okay. So this part is shifted to that side. Okay. When it is shifted to that side, then this will, we are getting this thing. Okay. So this is what it is proved. Okay. So this is another theorem, a very nice concept, and here we have proved it.